Hey everybody, this is Jock Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all about is feature points. Uh, I got a notification yesterday about feature points, and so I logged into my account. I just used to do it on my smartphone, and now they've made it more convenient for people now to do it on a laptop, a desktop, and it's even better to me, bigger and better. And I mean, it was already a golden opportunity if you had a smartphone or a tablet, but now you can still do it with a smartphone or tablet. But now you can even do it now uh, on a web browser. So that's like really, really huge, and it's still free to join. And they got surveys. They got you can earn cash back on different stuff at different stores, online, offline. It still has the downloading the apps and stuff or whatnot. But the bread and butter of this thing is getting referrals. This is like a huge opportunity. I know people who've been killing it online with this program for years. Uh, if you get 1 through 3 referrals, you'll get 25% of their points for life. It doesn't deduct from their points. It's basically uh, a earning matching bonus, but it gets better. This is where you really start to make the money. If you get 4 referrals and up, you'll receive 50% of all your referrals points for life. And the prizes is just unbelievable because you get points for download apps and referring people and complete surveys. They still got the gift cards that you get Amazon, Google Play, Xbox, Steam, Best Buy, Nintendo eShop, League of Legends, Target, Bath and Body Works, Sephora, Starbucks, the App Store. Um, it's just crazy what you can get. And this is my favorite. I start to say Bitcoin. But PayPal is my favorite. You got the $1, $3, $5, $10, $25, $50, $100, $200, $500, and $1,000. And you can also get paid through Bitcoin. So the prizes is just unbelievable. And you can complete surveys or you can download apps and you just want to get your link out there. And it's just an opportunity that you really got to just take it and run with it. Because I know people who make 2 and 3 thousand, even more than that a month with feature points. So I had moved on to other stuff, but after I see that they've added where you can do it from a laptop or desktop now. Uh, Plus, you can also still do it with uh, your smartphone and tablet. And I see that the prices is still crazy. It's really no excuse now not to promote this. And as you see, if you want Bitcoin as a reward, they got 1, 3, 5, and 10. You had to get you a Coinbase account with that to receive those payments. But like I say, my favorite is PayPal. Like I say, If you get 600,000 points, right here, you can get $1,000 through PayPal. But if you want that, or if you want the $500 for 300,000 points, or the $200 for 120,000 points, you want to get those referrals, as many as you can, complete surveys, and download a lot of apps. And you can pay your rent with this thing if you really get serious and really get focused. Feature points, I'm going to say it's the holy grail. This is something legitimate. It's free. It got a track record and a history of always paying on time. They pay you real quick too. So you want to set you up a PayPal if you don't get that. And it's the holy grail and it's free. This is the best place to really get focused. If you have no money and you want to make some money, this is it. So, like I say, just complete the surveys, download apps, and get as many referrals. Put your link everywhere. You know, share it on Facebook, Twitter, email, word of mouth, YouTube, wherever. And ain't nothing like $1,000 through PayPal. So, this is just a golden opportunity, especially for somebody who just hurting and they want to get out of their situation, or if they want extra money, or it can be just an addition to what you are already doing. So with that being said, I'm going to put the link below. And also, I'm going to put a link to my blog. Make sure you most definitely subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day. Get signed up with Feature Points for free and get this PayPal money. Y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.